Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the glare in my glasses, but I need to see. I just wanted to do a quick lock count for you guys, and then I'm just gonna kind of pin it up and go from there. So let's get started. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 20, 26, 27, 20, 28, 29, 30. Let me grab a scrunchie. 30, so I'm gonna pin these up real fast. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Wow. So 52, sorry, my freaking dog was barking loud as heck. So we're at 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 78 locks, guys. I hope I didn't miss one while I was turned around, but 78 freaking locks, you guys. So right now I'm just going to pin it up. I am like in a crazy rush. I have to get to work. I have a client, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my lock count. I'm not going to do nothing too crazy with this style. I'm literally, is that purple? Let me get me a black one. Hold on. All right, I'm not doing nothing too crazy with this style. Literally just pulling some up. That's it. That is it. And there we go. There we go. Let me put a little bit of something on this. Wait, which way does this go? I can't tell. Oh, okay, it's supposed to go this way. And I gotta hurry the heck up. Literally. And I'm gonna just let them hang. Look a little wild, look a little crazy. All right, I gotta fix that one too. Okay. So this is the style, guys. I don't know how the back look. Some might be just looking a little crazy, but that's cool. That is okay. That is my lock count, guys. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. This cute little wild looking crazy style. Hope you guys like it. I guess I can add a little baby hair. A little baby hair. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and stay tuned for the next video. My dog just can't shut up. Thank you for watching. Bye.